Oh, alright, cool. We're locked in. Let's go. Yo. What is going, guys? It's someone in Chip back with another video. Yay! Anyway, yeah. So today I made some fire beat. I want to show you guys like how I made it, what I did. So I know I do this quite a lot, but like usually I don't really have inspiration to make a video or like make a beat. But then after I made the beat, then I'm like, damn, that's fire. So let me make a video about it. But anyway, yeah, I'm just gonna. I don't know if I upload this, but I might not. But yeah, anyway, this just be a quick thing, maybe 5 minutes. I'll try to keep it short because I don't want it to be too long. But anyway, yeah, let's hop into the FL Studios and yeah, boom, let's get it. All right, cool. All right, what do we have here? Let's rearrange some things. All right, cool. So this beat, it's at 110 BPM, which is slow but fast, if you know what I mean, like, cause it's like technically half time, but like, so if you double it, it's 220, so that's quite fast. It's like, yeah, club beat speed, that sort of tempo. So I like this tempo. It's one of my favorites. I mean, I make beats in like 160 a lot, but when I make beats in 110, oof. But anyways, with these 110 beats, I always start. So I start with drums. So I start with a clap and the hi hat. So it just sounds like this. It's simple, but it just gets the rhythm going. I did press randomize on the hi hats, but yeah, that's about it. And the clap's just on the 2 and 4. And yeah, this is just 1 and 2 and 3. Yeah, alright. But then I move straight to the 808 after that, and yeah, sounds like this. We're in E minor, and yeah, it's the pattern. That's fire. There with the hi-hats, and that just gets you moving instantly. So after that, I was like, damn, it needs some more um need some more things. So I was like, damn. So I was like, yo, let me add this snare. I did a snare, and I added this little rim shot thing, percussion, whatever, and open hat. Anyway, all together it sounds like this. That's hard. And then straight after that, everything, the drums sound pretty full, bouncy, and yeah, they're really bouncy. Sounds like boom. What now? So I just started on the melody. We can mute everything and then just have the melody, and it sounds like this. So anyway, that's the main melody that I used. It's a flute one shot from Kyrie's Beats one shot pack, the Moonlight one. Anyway, it's about how it's like, I can't count one, bro. Anyway, it's just this very simple. Then I added this little thing, this little strum. I put reverb and delay on it, but then if I take it off, it sounds like this. Already tried, but with that's perfect. And if I play with the rest of the melody, it's perfect. Like the delay, yeah, it's just lit. It's so cool. Anyway, then I just added this little counter melody thing. Yeah, I'll just play it. Yeah, and if we go here, you just see I added a free delay free. I like this one because I think I've said this before, but you could just add way more unique delays to it. Because you can mess with modulation and like feedback and whatever, the feedback distortion, and yeah, it's just cool. I just mess around with the knobs and see what comes out. Yeah, I don't really have a plan whilst going into this plugin. I just like, mess around with it. But yeah, it's pretty cool stock with FL, so yeah, it's free, so it's even better. Um, and then I just added this pad to finish it off, which just follows the root note, which is E, because we're in E minor. Yeah, and it's just this. Well, it's pretty cool, and yeah, it just finished it off. It just needed something a little bit more, and yeah, that did the job. Alright, cool. So anyway, let's zoom in. Yeah, so I'll play the melody, then I'll play the melody with the drums. So yeah, I hear the melody all together, all the sounds. Yeah, and then everything together. We'll mute the tag for now, but oh yeah, like I didn't add the kick straight away. I remember this. I didn't add the kick straight away, or I did. Yeah, I was like, I had all this. I was like, damn, that's hard. That's hard automatically. But then I was like, probably need something more punchy, and so I just added the kick. As you can see, it's very spread out. There's not really much. There's only this little fill here. Why am I yawning? But anyway, yeah, just the kick. Yeah, that's the beat. But I did add some what do you call it? Beat cuts and like variation throughout the whole beat. Because yeah, it would get quite boring because it is quite repetitive and simple. But with simple beats, you gotta do the little switch up. Like as you see, I don't play the whole melody all at once. Like I'm switching out the sounds. Because it would get annoying to listen to it for however long this beat is, like 2 minutes and 30 seconds. So you definitely gotta switch things out. And the one thing that I did play is the pad, but it's sort of tucked in the back, and yeah, it's sort of like the one consistent thing throughout the whole beat, rather than yeah, it's just yeah, that's it. It's just that's allowed to be repetitive, okay. But yeah, so I did transition effects as well, just to go from like hook and whatever. So it sounds like this. What the? Anyway, this is just a reverse cymbal, and this is just wood knock sound I use, wood block. Sorry, I hate hoovering up. But anyway, so apart from just taking out melodies and sort of switching out the drums, just adding a kick later than the 808 at different times and that. What I did was add beat cuts, so is it quite useful? It isn't full beat cuts because technically like there'll be no sound, and to be honest, in my opinion, they only sound good once vocals are on it, and like you hear it with the vocals, it sounds better. But I think without it, like yeah, so it's better to leave that for the engineer to do later. So, but recently I've just been feeling the wave where you cut out the drums just to build that much tension, and yeah, just switch it up, and it works quite well in my opinion. So I'll just play it from here. So yeah, as you see, it just cuts out and then drops back in. It's very cool. And also I did it again right here. See that it cuts out. Yeah. I'll just play that for you guys. So again, it just adds more bounce, like more variation, something different for the listener to listen to within the beat. otherwise it would be very repetitive. But you know, you don't have to do this for sure. You don't have to, especially like artists don't really care. If they're just trying to flow, if they can flow over it, that's all they want. But yeah, for you and for other people, like the final product, it sounds cool. Yeah, and that's it. But yeah. Anyways, thank you for watching this video. It was a bit longer. It was actually 10 minutes. Damn, I waffled for a bit too long. My bad. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Yeah, I've been doing videos for about a month now, like properly, like every week, like uploading twice a day. But yeah, it's pretty cool. I'm gonna keep doing this, see where it goes. Got nothing else to do because you know lockdown and that. But yeah. So, well yeah. So thank you guys for watching. Appreciate it. If you enjoyed it, smash that like button, subscribe, turn notifications on so you know when I upload. Also, subscribe to my beat channel, link in the description below. I upload not all of them, but like, I upload a lot of my beats there. Yeah, I upload every day at 3 p.m. So yeah, you should definitely check that out. Yeah, link in description. Also follow my Instagram at @wannachip_ for some like more saucy beats. Like yeah, I'll post on my story when I'm going live and all that. So yeah. Also, I'm just plugging myself, but yeah, follow my Twitch for my for live streams and that. I made this beat on a live, so yeah, you should definitely go follow that up, and yeah, we can find out my secret sauce. Just threw the tennis ball down. But anyway, yeah. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next one. Let me just play the beat out real quick, and yeah, alright. Cheers.
Hey yo.